In this video, I'll show you how to make audio ID public in Roblox. To get started, go ahead and open Roblox Creator Hub on your browser. Make sure that you're signed in into your Roblox account. Now on the Creator Hub, head over into the Creations tab. And under the Creations tabs, go ahead and head over into Development Items. You'll find this at the menu section of the Creations tab. So click on the Development Items and click on Audio on this filter. So as you can see, there is an uploaded audio that I have in here. So click on that simply. So if you don't have this, you can go ahead and simply upload your audio. Scroll down and enable this Distribute on Creator Studio to be able to make your audio ID public. That's basically how you can make your audio ID public in Roblox. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.